Oscar Mayer. Oscar Mayer stuffed dogs, jalapeno cheddar. Been eyeballing these for a while. Uh, so I had to get them today. I was like, let's just get them. $3.98 for 8 of them. They look a little bit thicker because I guess they're stuffed with jalapeno and cheddar. It sounds delicious. I got the little Monument Grills 2 burner. We're gonna get these hot dogs thrown on there. It's been heating up for a while. That sucker's hot. Just my little Monument. I love this little thing. It comes in quite handy. Let's just throw these 8 hot dogs on there, cook these up. So this is going to be a review 2 video. Uh, we can't correspond with the younger people in the house, so it'll be Dawn and I. Now normally Dawn doesn't eat these types of hot dogs because she struggles with them, but she's going to be a trooper today. Well, let me just mention one thing. This will be our last video for a while. We're moving, basically, and we're buying a new house. So Poor Guy Studios will be at a different location, which will be good for us and our family. There's some things that have to happen along the way. Nothing that's going to happen overnight to get, I don't know, an outdoor cooking deal set up, but we'll work it out. And so we'll be on a hiatus for a bit while we get things done, moved, and then we'll be back. But we wanted to give this a shot. All right, listen, jalapeno, Oscar Mayer stuffed dogs, jalapeno and cheddar. We're going to give this a try. Cook them out here, bring them in the house, put them on a bun with some mustard, and try them. I got Poor Guy right here. I got his lovely wife Dawn to review 2 today. To review 2. All right, that's about all I got to say. We're back. Take a look at those hot dogs. They look like hot dogs. Oscar Mayer stuffed dogs, jalapeno cheddar. Just for the heck of it, I'm going to slice one open, see what they look like on the inside. Well, I don't see a lot of cheese. I see some bits of jalapeno, but I don't see a lot of cheese, which will be very disappointing. Very. Okay, Dawn and I are going to try these. Like I said, review 2 today. Honey, are you going to be able to work this out? There's one for you. And there's one for me. Just some yellow mustard on there. Oops. You ready? Mm-hmm. Cheers. Well, right now I'm super hungry, so it tastes good. I'm really not getting a ton of jalapeno or cheese.
Very little.
Very little.
Just the tiniest bit of heat. Just tiny.
I mean, you can't even see any cheese, really. A tiny bit.
That's disappointing.
Mm-hmm. You got it, honey. Well, the flavor, I mean, you can taste it, but very little of it. Well, they're not bad, don't get me wrong. Personally, I was expecting more flavor, even a little bit of heat from the jalapenos, a little squirty cheddar cheese in there. No, no, it's just not happening. I mean, look at the inside. That's why I slice that one open so you can, I mean, see.
It's a little jalapeno, but.
And I see like a tiny, tiny pocket of cheese, but well,
not worth $4.
No, I wouldn't say so either. Oscar Mayer, you kind of blew it there, man.
Yep.
Okay. If you see these in the store and you're expecting more, that was a rhyme. Oh. If you see these in the store and you're expecting more, see? Oh. Yeah. Don't even bother. I'm going to say that now. So we're still going to eat them.
Yeah.
And if the other 2 show up, we'll share, I guess. But All right. That's it. Poor Guy. Review 2, Don and I. And we'll see you soon. Peace.